Hello students, welcome back to our online classes. Today our topic is about properties of integers under multiplication. Okay, so now we are moving to first closure property. Okay, closure property. So what is closure property for integers? See here, let's take any two integers, 2 into minus 3. Here 2 is an integer, minus 3 is an integer. So 2 into minus 3 is equals to minus 6. The product is also in minus 6 also an integer. So next take any two integers, 4 into 8. 4 8 32. So it is an integer. So 0 into 4 is equals to 0. 0 is an integer. So by doing multiplication of any two integers we get the product also integer. So by this we can conclude that integers follow, therefore integers follow closure property. Integers follow closure property. Everyone clear? So now we are moving to next. We can conclude in the general manner. In general, what we can conclude? A into B is a, now let's take A comma B are integers. A comma B are integers. Then A into B is also an integer. Okay. A comma B are integers. Then A into B is also an integer. Becomes A into B means product. Okay. Your product also an integer. So this is your closure property. Next we are moving to commutative property. Okay. So already we done for the addition. Now we are going to do for multiplication. Okay. So here see here commutative property. Okay. So now here commutative property. So take any two integers. Take any two integers. Minus 2 into minus 3. So is equals to minus 3 into minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 2 into 3 6. Minus into minus plus 3 into 2 6. So here both the products are same. LHS equal to RHS. So take two more integers now. 4 into 8 is equals to 8 into 4. So 4 into 8 32. 8 into 4 32. Here also same. LHS equal to RHS. So by this we can conclude that integers follow commutative property. Everyone clear? Commutative property. And next one in general we can write as, let A comma B are integers. A comma B are integers. Then A into B is equals to B into A. This is commutative property. Okay. A into B is equals to B into A. Now we are moving to next one, associative property. Okay, clear? Now associative property. So in the associative property we take three integers. Okay, 2 into 3 into 4 is equals to 2 into 3 into 4. 1 2 3 3 integers. Okay, 2 3 4. So now we can order by off. So here see here, first we have to going to do the, according to BODMAS rule, we have to going to do the bracket part. 2 into 3 6. 2 into 3 into 4 12. So now 6 into 4 24. 2 12s are 24. So here LHS equal to RHS. You can take one more example. Okay, if you want to do one more, take any integers and do this manner. Okay, you can get same answers. So what we can conclude by this associative property is integers follow associative property. Integers follow associative property. So in general we can write as, let A comma B comma C are integers. Then A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. Okay, this is our associative property. You can take any integers. You can take here minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 as your wish. Okay, now we are going to do which property? distributive property. So this is a new property. Okay, I will explain you clearly. Distributive property. So see here, distributive property, 2 into 3 plus 4. We can write as 2 into 3. Here, which symbol is there? Plus 2 into 4. So now we can do here 2 into 3, 6, plus 2 4s are 8, 6 plus 8, 14. So now do the RHS side, LHS side. See here, 2 into 3 plus 4, 7, 2 7s are 14. Here also we got the same answers. Yes or no? Yes. We can take any numbers. You can apply this to any integers. Okay, not only 2 3 4. You can apply any integers. Now we are going to what we can conclude here. Integers follow distributive. See here, distributive of multiplication over addition. Follow distributive of multiplication over addition. Everyone clear? Distributive of multiplication over addition. Here we are distributing multiplication over addition. Okay, now see here, in general we can write as, what we can write as, let a comma b comma c are integers, then a into b plus c is equals to a into b plus a into c. So this is our distributive property. Okay, you don't confuse here. Simple, very simple here. Okay, now we are moving to multiplicative identity. So already we learned additive identity. What is additive identity? Anyone remember what is additive identity? Now we are going to learn about multiplicative identity. Okay, multiplicative identity. So what is additive identity? 0. Yes or no? Yes. So now we are going to do multiplicative identity. See here, take any integer 2 into 1. What is the solution? What is the product here? 2. 3 into 1. What is the product here? 3. 4 into 1. What is the product here? 4. Minus 2 into 1. What is the product here? Minus 2. So if we multiply any 1 to any number, we are multiplying 1 to any number, we get that number only. So if I am here, I am multiplying 1 to integer 2, I am multiplying 1 to integer 3, what is the result here? 3 only. If I am multiplying 1 to integer 4, what is the result here? 4 only. So what we can conclude by this, 1 is the multiplicative identity. Everyone clear? So here in general we can, if a is an integer, we can say that a into 1 is equals to a is equals to 1 into a. So we can write like this, a into 1 is equals to 1 into a is equals to a. So everyone clear? Here a is an integer. Okay, so this is our multiplicative identity. Now we are moving to multiplication by 0. Okay, it is very simple, multiplication by 0. These are the basics. If we know the basic, then only we can do anything. So multiplication by 0. So multiplication by 0, see here, 3 into 0, 0, 4 into 0, 0, minus 8 into 0, 0, minus 9 into 0, 0. So what we can conclude, if you multiply 0 to any number, we get 0 only. So this is called multiplication by 0. Now we can, in general, we can conclude that let a is an integer. So a into 0 is equals to 0 into a is equals to 0. You can write here 0 into 3 is equal to 0, 0 into 4 is equal to 0, 4 into 0 is equal to 0. So this is our multiplication by 0. Okay, everyone clear? I hope everyone understood. So please do subscribe to our channel. So if you want share to your friends, you can share. Okay.